Hi, welcome back to my channel Susi. Now I will give you tips and tricks how get view and subscriber fast. But before, I'm so sorry if my English is bad. Cause I'm still learning English guys. So let's get started.
Hey Dick, what's up?
Hi Surya, I'm fine. I hope you and all of friends who watch this video is fine too.
Congrats again for your 3K subscribers.
Thanks Surya. I hope you will cross me as soon as.
Your channel is growing too smoothly and too fast. You get views, you get likes, you get subscribers. I just want to know your secret.
Sure, and thank you. I will share to you and to all of friends. I'm also still newbie and still need a lot of support and opinions from all of you.
And give me some tips how to get subscribers fast and how to get views. Tell me your secret, okay?
I will share about secret, how get subscribes and views as soon as and as fast as.
And I wish you will get the success on YouTube. So, how to grow on YouTube too fast, like you? Give me some tips.
I will share to you and to all of friends about tips and tricks. How get subscribers and views as soon as and faster. I use knowledge of traders and farmers to attract viewers and subscribers. As a traders, we must present a new menu for every day to find what merchandise suitable with customers and much in demand about customers. As a traders, we must present a new menu for every day to find what merchandise suitable with customers and much in demand about customers. For us newbie in YouTube, we must upload video every day, everything video every day. One day one video, at least 3 day one video. YouTube team will see how much our effort in YouTube. Your video will recommended by YouTube to viewers. And when viewers interesting to your video, they will watching your video. And when you find one your video going to viral or booming, post that content and others content only for intermezzo. And about knowledge of farmer will never know whether they will fail it or they will success of their crop. But they will always continue to plant and care about their planting. Will big hope they will get bountiful of harvest. They will never give up, even though they fail it in crop. They will always plant and care their plants. So for us a newbie, never give up guys. Always upload your video for every day and find what content will going to booming or viral one day. This is my viral video that time. 6 months ago, I beginning in YouTube. 2 months, 10 days after that, I got 1,000 subscribers. 1 month after that, my ondel-ondel video going to viral. And 1 month then, I got 4,000 watch time. That's why I got my monetized. Now almost 3 months I got monetized. So still newbie guys. I still need a lot of support and opinion from all of you. That's why we must support each other for growing together. We must always visiting others' newbie channel for supports each other. That is my tips and tricks, my friends. And I am sorry if my English is bad, cause I'm still learning. Once again, I'm sorry about my English.
I need you in my arms, need you to hold. You my world, my heart, my soul. If you ever leave,
Hey Titik, thank you for the tips and tricks for increasing views and subscribers. So thanks a lot for the tips. See you later. Bye bye.
Okay, Surya. See you next time. Bye bye.